Hello guys, best motorcycle accident lawyer. How to choose the best motorcycle accident lawyer? See this picture. When you ride a motorcycle, you are completely exposed. If you have an accident, you are likely to incur more serious injuries. In fact, motorcyclists are 29 times more likely to die in an accident than car passengers. If you are in a motorcycle accident, you need to make sure that you have the right team of medical and legal professional on your side. This is we are having the best motorcycle accident lawyer will help. We have compiled a guide to help you shop among the best motorcycle accident lawyer in town. Find an auto accident lawyer in your area. Less than 1 year, less than 4 year, less than 2 year, less than 5 year, less than 3 year, 5 or more year. So click on next step. Finding the best motorcycle accident lawyers. You will find a lot of options in your town for all sorts of personal injury attorneys. Ads are everywhere, and you may get overwhelmed by the number of options. Here are some key considerations when talking to accident attorney to make sure that you get the right one for your needs. Get a referral. Start within your network. If you ride, you likely know other who ride and have been in an accident. See who they used and whether or not they ID recommended them. There is an easy way to find someone that you trust. Knowing that the helped a friend or family member is in a similar situation. Ask about motorcycle accident experience. Personal injury attorney come in a variety of flavors, so do not assume that an auto accident attorney has the experience that you need as a victim in a motorcycle accident. Get someone who deal with motorcycle accident every day. Especially ask how many motorcycle cross cases they have handled in the past year. This way you know that they understand the nuance and intricacies of the motorcycle accident. Their knowledge help you get the best possible settlement for your case. Reviewing the track record. Work on contingency fees. Has a communication schedule. Find an auto accident lawyer in your area, USA, New York. Why you need a motorcycle accident attorney? Interview several motorcycle accident lawyers before you make a final decision. Talk to at least 3 motorcycle accident lawyers to see who you the best feeling about. Consultation should be free, so there is nothing to lose by talking to multiple lawyers. Get a feel for their personality is the last thing that you want it to feel like you are a number in their caseload instead of someone important to them. So you can visit this and thanks for watching my video. If my video is good, you can like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.